What's up, guys? This is Jakob. I'm Content AI Manager and founder of Content AI Tools. Welcome to this first video about how to create blog articles with the AI tool, Rytr. Super excited. This is a tool that I'm using already for almost a year or something. And I'm going to show you how to do it yourself so that you can generate content, blog articles, basically with AI. That's the main aim for this video. So I'm going to share something, basically a file that I created, a Google Doc. So before we jump into the tool, I'm just going through the steps, okay, so that you get a basic understanding. So before you start creating the article, I'm going to send you a briefing. So this means I will send you a Google Doc, something like this, where you get the topic and you get the tonality, and I will explain this in a second. And you also get the keywords so that you don't have to research or something. I mean, I'm always open for ideas, but I see this as my job. So I'm going to give this to you, basically. After that, you're going to create one new document. So name it after the topic, okay? The next step is you check the language. Third step, choose the tonality. Most often it's inspiring, but like I said, I will give you the tonality, but in most cases it's inspiring. Then choose use case, blog idea and outline, and primary keywords that I'm going to send you also. Number of variants are 2, creativity level is high, and then push Rytr. So these are the 8 steps. We are going to speak about in a second. So, okay, I know, very confusing, but everything will be fine. Just trust me. Okay, I'm going to jump into the tool Rytr. So here we go. Okay, now this is the tool. Okay, so you have different things that you can create. So you can select the language, you can select the tonality. That's what I spoke about. Choose use cases, so you can create different things with this tool. So most often I create blog out idea and outline. This is the main thing, creating blog article. Okay, here the primary keywords. Number of variants is just how many blog ideas do you want to get. Creativity level, in most cases, is high. And then push Rytr, write for me. Okay, this is the basic how this looks like. Okay, you have an account section, you have the history section. You can see what kind of articles you already produced so far. And I have 2 different accounts, but it doesn't matter now. Okay, now let's start with the steps. So after you get a document, a briefing by me, what will happen after that? Well, you will get a topic from me, and you have to create a document based on the topic. So let's say I want to write now an article about deep fake. Okay, the topic is deep fake. Now I'm going to push. This is the first step. Create one new document, name it after the topic. So new document is deep fake. Awesome. Okay, we did one. We did first step 1. Okay, step 2 is check the language. So it's English, so that's fine. Then step 3 is choose the tonality. Okay, we want to be inspirational. Then choose use case, blog idea and outline. It's already chosen, but you can just make sure. Then add the keywords, add the primary keywords. What are the primary keywords? Like I said, I will give you the keywords, so you don't have to worry about them. But in this case, I'm just making freestyle, deepfake, content marketing, content synthetic media, deep learning, blog articles. And just you will just do copy paste, okay? So just check how many are these blog articles. 100 characters. Machine learning. Machine. Okay, that's fine. I'm just checking how many words these are. Then next step, number of variants. Normally I do 3. You can do 2 is fine. And then creativity level is the next step. Is high, and then push Rytr. Rytr for me. Write for me. Just write for me. Okay, and let's see what happens. Now the magic is happening. The AI is working. Cool. Now I have 2 block outlines. Okay, like I said, I chose 2 variants, and therefore the AI gave me 2 different blog articles. These are only the structures. Okay, this is the headline. This is the subheadline with the relevant keywords. This is another subheadline, another one, and that's the last subheadline. And then you have a new article. This is the headline again, subheadline, 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 and so on. So the AI gave me 2 different blog article structures. Okay, now the heavy work starts now. So I have to decide what I'm going to use. And in the past, I did basically 3 different variants, but 2 is also fine. I created 2 variants, 2 blog articles, and I tried to combine them. Okay, so but let's have a look on the checklist that I created. So I have to switch again. Just a second. Okay, I'm just again explaining first, and then I'm going to show it to you. So just a second. Okay, now we did all these things. Okay, these 8 points. So created new document, named it after it. We checked the language, tonality, chose use case. So it's blog outline, blog idea and outline. We added the primary keywords, number of variants 2, creativity level high, and then we pushed write for me. Okay, and after that, so these are the next 3 steps. So mark the keywords and the subheadlines and create paragraphs. I'm going to show this to you. So now we have the structure, we have the headlines and the subheadlines. Now we want to fill these paragraphs with more text, okay? And we are going to do this with 1 click, basically. And after that, read everything and make sure it makes sense, okay? You have to read the stuff, okay? That's very important that the article is basically 1 article and not 2, because otherwise people don't accept the articles. So it has to make sense, okay? Just read it, and if a paragraph doesn't make sense or it doesn't fit there, just put it on another position, okay? And I'm going to show you how this works. And the last step is copy and paste it to a Google Doc. Basically, this will be the briefing document. So I'm going to send you 1 Google Doc, and you're going to copy paste it into this doc, okay? And then send me a DM through Discord. You can just write me, hey, article deepfake is ready for review. So these are the steps, okay? After I created it, the real work starts. So this reading and making sure everything fits is the main work, in my opinion. Okay, let's see. Now let's remove this and go to the tool. Okay, now we are, like I said, we have these paragraphs, these subheadlines, and we're going to produce paragraphs. So what you do is you mark the keywords and together with the subheadlines. And then you click on paragraph. You can see write the paragraph on the selected text. So I'm clicking on paragraph. Okay, here we go. Now the tool created a completely new paragraph based on these keywords and the subheadlines. Okay, again, what I did is I marked the keywords and the subheadlines, and then I clicked paragraph. Okay. Oh, I can add one more step. I forgot one step. Now you can delete the keywords. We don't need them anymore. Okay. I'm just deleting them so that I have one subheadline and the paragraph, which is related. So I'm just adding one more step. So mark the keywords in the subheadlines and create paragraphs, and then delete the keywords of this paragraph. Okay, I just added this because I forgot it. Okay, so I'm also using another paragraph. And another one. Sometimes this doesn't pop up. You have to scroll up, and then you can see paragraph. I'm deleting this one. What can AI be used for good instead of evil? That's cool. So you see it doesn't pop up directly. I'm scrolling up and then typing on paragraph. So when you see something like, yeah, just a second, I'm deleting this. So when you see something like this, what are the trends in content marketing 2018 to 2020? I mean, we're not living in the past. So the reason why this pops up is these not the algorithms, the language models are trained back a couple of years back, so 2-3 years old, because training models is very expensive. So oftentimes they are trained and then never be touched again. So the AI thinks this is some hot topic, but it isn't. So therefore, what are trends in content marketing? You can, if you see something like this, please change it in the current year. Okay. So let's see what happens then. You can also change it in the keyword section. And then let's give it another try. Okay, and we're deleting this. Okay, now the real work starts. Okay, I'm reading this thing. The future of fake news and deep fakes. Yeah, I would say the future of deep fakes, because the topic is not fake news, it's deep fakes. The future of deep fakes and content marketing. What are deepfake videos, deepfakes, and synthetic media? Deepfakes are videos or images created with artificial intelligence using a machine learning algorithm. They are used to create fake videos of people and celebrities, often with the intention of spreading misinformation. Deepfake videos are often created to spread misinformation. Okay, this is double. I will delete this part because I already had this information one sentence before. They can be used to discredit a person or make them seem like they said something they didn't say. Okay. The term deepfake is often used interchangeably with the term synthetic media. Okay, that's cool. Can AI be used to create fake or misleading content? The AI-generated media is a hot topic in the marketing world. It is not only used to create fake or misleading content, but also to provide an alternative option for people who are looking for more creative and compelling content. Some entrepreneurs are working on apps that use AI to generate fake news articles. They use AI-generated media to get more views and engagement on their content, which in turn increases the number of subscribers. Deepfake creator uses AI to create hyper-realistic faces from just your photo. Deepfakes are a type of artificial intelligence technology that allows for the creation of hyper-realistic videos and images. This technology has been around for a while, but it has made a huge comeback in recent years. Some people have used this to create adult content, but others have used it for more innocent purposes like creating memes or funny videos. The most popular deepfake creator is Fake App, and it's available on both the Android and iOS app stores. The app is easy to use, just choose the face you want to put on top of your video or image and then take a picture or record a video with your device camera. How can AI be used for good instead of evil? It is only a matter of time before AI becomes the main content generator for all digital media. The question is how this will affect our society and what we can do to make sure that AI does not become a tool for evil. AI is already being used in various ways in the media industry, but it's up to us to decide if it will be used for good or evil. Yes, I think this is more so it should be always related with content. So therefore, I'm not happy with this paragraph. So it's too negative in my opinion. So this is fine. This is an example how to use deepfake with an app, and then how to use it for good, and also content trends. What are the trends in content marketing? The content marketing industry is evolving at a rapid pace. Marketers are finding new ways to tell their stories and engage with their audiences. There's a lot of buzz around the latest trends in content marketing, and we can expect these trends to dominate the industry in the coming years. Some of these trends are a shift from traditional media to digital media, the rise of influencer marketing, the use of video as a storytelling medium, personalization as a core principle for marketers. I don't know. These are not new trends. I'm deleting this. So you can see through reading the text, you get an idea what is real and what not. So yeah, let's check the second blog article. So what is a deep fake video? That's already, we had this already. We can delete this. The role of deep fakes in synthetic media. That sounds interesting. Creating the paragraph. Okay, deepfakes, a future battleground for social media platforms. Cool. Let's see let's create a brief history of AI-generated content. Yes, let's do this one. Oops. So, and what are the benefits of using an AI-powered marketing tool? Also cool. I like this one, how AI is changing the face of marketing. How AI is changing the face of marketing and media. That's cool. So the role of deepfakes in synthetic media. The use of AI-generated media is on the rise. With AI, we can generate realistic images and videos. This has led to a lot of ethical and moral dilemmas. There are two main types of these deepfakes: synthetic media that is created by combining real footage with computer-generated imagery or using voice-over actors, and synthetic media that is created by using machine learning to fabricate images from scratch. As the use of AI increases in the future, so will the presence of deepfakes in our society. I like that one. Yes. I like also the headline. Now I would, this explainer thing, I would copy paste this one and put it here. So, deepfakes are future battleground for social media platforms. With the advent of deepfakes, the line between reality and fiction has blurred. Social media platforms are at risk of being used to spread misinformation. This is a problem as it can lead to people believing in things that they otherwise would not have believed in. AI can be used to detect deepfakes by comparing it with a database of false images that have been already identified. Okay. Brief history of AI-generated content. AI-generated content is not a new concept. The first AI-generated story was written in 1950 by Arthur Samuel, a pioneer in the field of artificial intelligence. Samuel's program told the story of how one day the computer woke up. It was not until 1957 that an AI program could write a short adventure story with no human input. In 1965, Elisa became the first chatbot to convince humans it was human. Elisa would ask you questions and then respond to your answers with its own question or statement that would make you believe it understood what you were saying. Yeah, I like that one. Yeah, that's not very relevant. That's a cool use case. I would put it here. What are the benefits of using AI-powered marketing tool? AI marketing tools are a great way to save time. They can help marketers create content and manage their campaigns in an efficient way. The benefits of using an AI-powered marketing tool are endless. Marketers can save time by delegating tasks to the AI. They can use it to measure the success of the campaigns, and they can even use it for lead generation. The benefits of using an AI-powered marketing tool are endless. Yes, I like that one. That's good. Oops. Okay. So let's put it. Let's put it here. If I run off this brief history, I think I want to read the benefits already here. What are the benefits? Yes. So now we are adding a conclusion, something at the end. AI tools, deepfake tools help you to scale your online business. And then you can do this also. So this is the sub headline. Yeah, I didn't talk about that one. So H2 means sub headline, and I can just mark it, and then I can add keyword myself. Keywords. So deepfake, and then scaling, video production, faster, time, saving time and money, time management, so things like that. Okay, now I added the keyword, and now I'll do the same with the, like before, I create a paragraph. So deepfake tools help you to scale your online business by making video production faster and easier. Deepfakes are a new kind of video technology that has the ability to create convincingly fake videos. They allow you to scale your online business by making video production faster and easier. Voila. So it's around 600 words, which is fine. 800 would be better. So yeah, aiming always between 600 and 800 words each article. So without the keywords, I delete these keywords, and yeah, only the text. So with the headline, subheadlines, and the text. So last step, I'm copy pasting this, and imagine this would be, oh, you can't see that one. Okay, just switching. Can I add 2 screens? Doesn't matter. Okay. Now imagine this is your briefing. It is not, but imagine this is the briefing that I sent you in the first place. And I'm just copy pasting this in this document, and then yeah, it's here. You can also check. Yeah, that's also something that can add. Check within Google Doc for any spelling mistakes. Number 13. Yeah. So now you can see something like in an efficient way, and then efficiently, yes. This is comma. They're used to creating fake videos. Always check also creating hyper realistic fake app, and it's available. It's okay. That's the name of the thing. Okay. Yes. Spelling and comma mistakes. Yes. And then after you copy it into the document, the Google Doc, you shoot me a DM on Discord saying, hey, how AI is changing the face of marketing and media is ready for approval, ready to launch. Okay, so far, I think, so let's just repeat all the steps, okay? Just make sure that you always have this list in mind. And I will also create a checklist so that you go through on after you created everything. So we're creating a new document named after the topic. We check the language, so in most cases English. Choose the tonality. I'm giving this in the briefing. Choose the use case. In most cases, it's a blog idea outline. Yeah, I mean, obviously it's a blog outline, idea and outline. Then you're adding the primary keywords. Yeah, so this is also something that I am giving to you. Number of variants, 2, creativity level high, and then you push write for me. And after that, you are creating the paragraphs, mark the keywords and the subheadline, and then create the paragraphs. And after that, after you created the paragraph, you're deleting the keywords of this one paragraph, and then continuing creating paragraphs. And yeah, you create the first article and then read everything and make sure that everything makes sense. And then also doing this with the second article and then combining those two articles basically. And then also again, reading everything makes sense. And after that, you have around 600, or optimum would be where I'm most happy, would be 800 words. Then copy pasting it into the Google Doc. Copy pasting it into the Google Doc. And then check within Google Doc for any spelling and comma mistakes. And then you DM me through Discord that the article is ready. So that's it. I hope this makes sense. And yeah, if there are any questions, okay? I mean, this is the training period. You have to check everything, and these tools are new. Everything is fine. You have to get familiar with them. There will be questions. Just DM me. I hope I will answer very quickly. Yeah, that's it so far. So just let me know if you have any struggle or you can't get access or something. I will do my best that you have access. So you will get, so I have 2 accounts on Rytr. I have one unlimited account and one account where I have 10,000 characters or something. So with this 10,000 characters, this is a limited account basically. So you can't produce unlimited blog articles. So just don't waste it on stupid things or something. Just be focused and create the articles. That's important because otherwise you don't have more characters for that month. Okay. Thanks, and see you in the next video.